Oh yes, it's running nice. Now the carburetors are synchronized, as you can see. That's nice. And the ALF ratio on idle is about 12. Maybe it's a little bit lean still, but I will put the air filters on. So after that I think I have to tune the carburetors a little bit again.